cooking on a boat. Got my balsamic vinegar mushrooms. I got my pasta going. Captain Dan's Concord. Obviously, oatmeal ice cookies, because, you know, I got my sauce. It's a one-pot meal. Hee-hee. It's pretty good.
Hey everybody, this is Kenny. Right now.
Alright, pasta's still going. The mushrooms are right there. So here's my little trick. What I do is I put my cup down in there. And then I put my... this actually fits in that cup pretty good. You see that? So, what it does is I can drain the pasta, but actually catch some pasta water, which is what I'm going to need. And, yeah, there's no liquid sunshine today. Thanks, Kenny. So that's my trick. All right, I think we're getting there. Let's take a little look. Don't touch the sides with metal. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Let's get a little taste. Oh, that's perfect. All right. So I'm not into burning myself anymore, so I'm just gonna do this without the camera. All right, I got the noodles in there, and it just wobbles around. That's okay. That's okay, because it's not gonna spill. I did lose some pasta water. I'm not that worried about it. Turn the heat off for now. Ooh, they are so good. All right, I was gonna use the garlic and herb sauce, but I'm gonna pass on that. All right, let's just pause that. So I got my balsamic mushrooms with garlic, onion, salt, and they're just gonna start to sizzle in a bit. I've got my cooked pasta there, and this, if you got friends with a boat or you live on a boat, these little things that come with sandwiches and stuff, save them for them. Seriously, it's a lifesaver. There we go. All right, time for the pasta. Right. Now, this is where the pasta water comes in, because we're going to cook this up a bit. And it's going to get some of the flavor from the mushrooms into the pasta, but that balsamic glaze, you can see it right there, and add whatever's left in the packet. Oh, good, perfect. Hear that sizzle? Yeah. And then, you know, reuse your bread bags as garbage bags. That's what that, oops, that's a word. Yeah. Put a little hole in there. You got it. All right. Keep it moving. Then we'll add a little bit of pasta water back. And that, with the butter, so you can see, we start cooking down. It's going to deglaze the pan. And that'll end up actually making a sauce. The only thing we need to do is burn off some of that water. But before that burns off, we want to get some of our shaker cheese in there. I call it shaker cheese because you gotta shake it out. So the water in there, turn it back into regular cheese. Oh, the smell is heavenly. And let that, I should be doing this. This is a $300 set of pans. Yeah, there you go. Heat's way too high. I hate the stove because it's, don't buy the, like the minimum. You see that? That's the flame you get. It sucks. See how that's getting a little cheesy with the mushrooms and the balsamic glaze and the Huygen flavor? Oi, it's good stuff. And there you have it. One vegetarian dish from a boat. Yummy. There's plenty of leftovers.